You might have known this already, but I didn't, that you should be thoroughly cleaning your dishwasher monthly in order for it to really get those dishes clean. You might have noticed that your dishes aren't as clean as they used to be. And if you want to make sure your dishwasher lasts a long time, then you should really clean it out. I used to do just a little thorough, like a little wipe of the door to make it so it didn't look as bad, and clean the drain area once in a while when I saw it had a lot of gunk. But you should really do a thorough cleaning. So I was so excited when I saw this dishwasher cleaner, and I went, yay, and I was gonna share it with you guys. And I went and used it twice in a row how it recommended to see if it really got its spick and span. But it didn't. It was really gross. Look at the pictures. So I recommend getting your little magic eraser and a bottle cleaner and really do that once a month. It's a lot cheaper and it looks really good and clean. There's your BS tip. Clean your dishwasher monthly.
Soaking wet. And what it is that the 3 products that were in that box, which are Glisten Dishwasher Cleaner, 2 of the things are fine, but the 3rd one usually has a plug inside. The plug's been removed and the cap was barely on it. So it leaked the whole time. So I'm out 1 whole jar or bottle of dishwashing liquid, and I can't believe they delivered it like this.